All right, listen up. By now, you have your day 2 checklist. This isn't just another piece of paper, it's your mission plan. Your job today is to execute every single item on that list. This is how we build a rock solid foundation for your claim. Let's walk through this mission. First, you need to review the common disabilities. I've given you a list of heavy hitters: tinnitus, back pain, knee issues, PTSD, headaches, GERD, and sleep apnea. As you review each one, I want you to ask the simple question: does that sound like me? If the answer is yes, check it off and get it down on your brainstorming worksheet immediately. Don't second guess it, just write it down. Next, and this is critical, you will identify your secondary conditions. This is the single most powerful strategy for boosting your VA rating. For every primary issue you wrote down, I want you to ask, what else is wrong with me? Remember the domino effect we talked about. Your PTSD can cause migraines or sleep apnea. Your bad back can cause nerve pain, radiculopathy, and depression. Fill out the section on your checklist by mapping these powerful connections to your worksheet. Third, you will use a new secret weapon, artificial intelligence. Don't skip this. AI is your brainstorming partner that can help you translate your symptom into potential medical conditions to discuss with your doctor. I've given you the cut and paste prompt templates. Your mission is to customize them, paste them into the chatbot, and analyze the results. Add every potential condition it gives you to your master worksheet. Finally, you must check the PACT presumptive conditions. This law is a game changer. If you served in a location like Iraq, Afghanistan, or other areas in the Southwest Asia, the VA is now required to assume your service caused by a long list of conditions. Review the PACT worksheet I provided. If you are there and you have one of these conditions like chronic sinusitis or rhinitis, check it off. You've earned this. Don't leave it on the table. Okay, before I send you off and get you ready for tomorrow's mission, I want you to thoroughly identify and document all potential injuries, primary, secondary, and presumptive conditions on brainstorming worksheet 1. Okay. Now, these are the checkoff tasks that you must complete to wrap up today's bootcamp activities. So task 1 is review common disabilities, watch the lesson on common claims to jog your memory. Ask yourself, does this sound like me? Musculoskeletal issues, mental health, radiculopathy, nerve pain, migraines, GERD, acid reflux, or sleep apnea. Don't forget to also check off task 2 for day 2 of the bootcamp, which is understand the secondary condition is any illness or injury caused by aggravated by an already service-connected conditions. This is an opportunity where you could drastically upgrade your service connection ratings, okay? Make sure you check all these conditions to review things like whether PTSD can lead to jaw pain, GERD, obstructive sleep apnea, and migraine headaches, and things like that, right? For task 3, brainstorm with artificial intelligence. By now, you should have tools like Grok or Gemini. You can use these tools to kind of diagnose yourself, look around, tell your symptoms, and when it started in service like that, it'll pinpoint you what you exactly have. So this is a massively profitable tool to boost your ratings using generative AI to search your VA ratings, okay? Make sure you complete all of these tasks, okay? Don't miss anything. That's super, super important, okay? Task 4, understand PACT Act makes easier to get benefits for conditions like toxic exposure by making them presumptive. If you have a presumptive condition and served in a specific place and time, the VA automatically assumes that it's service connected. You no longer need to prove connection. Download, study, and fill out the presumptive PACT Act conditions worksheet provided in the video's lessons, okay? So just jog your memory and see where you are at. Places like Iraq, Afghanistan, Kuwait, Qatar, UAE, Somalia, in Vietnam, Thailand, and things like that, or Laos, or if you ever participated in trash duties where you're burning trash or you're lighting 55-gallon drums of human waste on fire with diesel. That's a massive environmental exposure that you can claim. Okay, this just about wraps up day 2 of the bootcamp. On the day 3, we'll be actually going over and filling out the disability form with the data you've researched today. I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson.